Good morning everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw SNOM, a very easy Pokemon. So let's start by drawing the front of his head. Starting at the top, we're just going to draw a nice curve going forward, and then the front of his face, short curve, and then another one just in front of it, which will then touch the first curve that we drew there. And this will then go to the bottom of his head to the back. We will now connect these two lines for the back of his head. And one of his eyes will be seen, and it'll be right here. So let's just draw a nice circle. And now we'll go ahead and draw the body. Here I'm going to use a thinner marker because his body's covered by this translucent cover. So let's just start first by drawing a line going to the back, and it's going to start curving up and meet up with the top of his head. So actually let's just go back here, start curving it up, over, and meet the top of his head. Okay, so he's got all these translucent spikes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just work with my thin marker first. So let's draw a big spike up here. Looks like a mountain. And then step off from the end here and draw another line and draw another spike back here. Right here will be one of the spikes that are closer to the front, so just draw a line like that. So the base of this particular spike will be right here, and I'm just gonna kind of indicate that with a interrupted line. And then let's draw another spike over here, and we'll connect these two spikes with another spike towards the back. So we're going to step off from the end there, up to the tip and back. Let's draw another one here. Coming from this line, we're going to go down and over. And there'll be another spike back here hiding, and another spike over here. We're going to go forward a little bit first and then back up, and just like here, let's kind of indicate a little bit where the base of that spike is. So you can see here's the body itself, and the spikes come off of it. So I'm going to switch now to an even thinner pen and draw some of the shadows. The form shadows, because the bottom will be a little bit darker. And it's going to kind of follow the shape of these spikes. So just imagine the light's coming from the upper left, going down. This part of the spike would get a lot of light. This part would not. So this part will be darker. And that's how I'm going to shade it later and color it. I'm going to add a little bit of another line here, just like this, to show the base of this particular spike. And I'll continue on with my shadow lines. So as you draw some of these shadow lines, just experiment what you can do. Like here, for example, is say draw an oval, and this would indicate a highlight, and or you could draw a shadow line just like what I was talking about, where this part of the spike is darker. But most of these I'll just draw what I would consider a shadow line, form shadow. Now that we've got some of the details in, I'm going to go back to my thick marker so I can really indicate where these spikes are and give it a little bit more life by varying the line width of this drawing. So by keeping this body line back here thin, you can see that it's a translucent body covering. The spikes are translucent, and the way I'm outlining this isn't just a single width line, but I'm actually going to try to make it thicker at the ends, at the tips. Again, it's just in the interest of making it a little bit more interesting, a little bit more dynamic, and not so plain. This may be easier using a brush marker where you can actually vary the line thickness as you draw, but you can also do it this way. And that's it. This was SNOM, another Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed this and got something out of it, please try to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'm uploading a new video. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. Bye.